What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to talk about 4 different YouTubers, and I'm going to start out with last part's the most important part. Extremely popular on YouTube. I respect most of his content. He has a lot of knowledge about credit repair, no doubt about that. And I do want to make a correction for something I said in the past, and that's he was not the creator of Dispute Beast. He is one of 3 people that are involved in Dispute Beast. I was wrong about that. So, but one of the things that I don't like is the fact that he tells people that it doesn't use ChatGPT. According to the developers, it does use ChatGPT, just like Dispute Panda. So, but I want you to take a look at how many subscribers he has. He has a lot of subscribers, very popular. The next guy, this is Mr. We gotta freeze those snitches, which again, freezing the secondary bureaus does absolutely nothing to help you remove negative information from your credit report. It literally tells you on those websites, it literally tells you that freezing it does not stop them from viewing the information. But again, look how popular the channel is. Look how many subscribers. This one, I don't really have a saying for her. Miss, I'll say your social security number. We'll say that. And there's proof to back that up that she's been caught doing that. I've had literally over the past 2 years, hundreds of people reach out to me and say that this woman scammed them. She has a lot of followers. She has a lot of subscribers. That's what a lot of consumers fall for, is how many subscribers, how many followers, how many comments, how many likes. Y'all are falling for the wrong thing. And to be fair, she has a lot of knowledge about credit repair. She just doesn't practice what she preaches. The last one, but not least, our favorite, not very popular. He just spits out whatever the hell's on his mind. He wants to make you think he's got this ACAT system that we've debunked so many times. And he works, millionaires hire him, and, I'm smoking the best cigar in the world, and just everything's the best of everything. But you're literally stuck in one of the poorest countries in the world because you defrauded so many consumers in the States that you can't come back. And we're working on getting access to those warrants so we can actually show them as well. But I really just wanted to make this video to show y'all how tricky it is when it comes to YouTube and credit repair. You don't know who's real, you don't know who's fake, you don't know who's scamming, you don't know who's lying. It's extremely hard. One thing I can tell you is we show results, and we show results every day. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.